Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be showing you how to install and remove Google Chrome extensions. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology tutorials just like this one. So the first thing I want you to do is jump into Google Chrome and Google search for the Google Web Store and click on it. From here, you're just going to click on the first link, which is the Chrome Web Store. And what the Chrome Web Store is, basically houses all your Google Chrome extensions to install. So we have a lot of different categories we can look through. We have recommended for you, we have Web Store Gems of 2020, we have staying at home, we have editor's picks, we have work from home. So there's a lot of extensions here that you can download and kind of play with, toy around with. So we're just gonna, for the sake of this video, install 2 of these extensions right here. Once you click on an extension, you're just going to click on Add to Chrome. It's going to say checking, and you're just going to hit Add Extension. So we'll go back, we'll do another one, we'll do this toolbar, and once it's done, it will say it has been added to Chrome. So we'll click off of that, we'll install our next one, we'll click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And we'll go back. So yeah, definitely check out the Chrome Web Store, see if any extensions can help you along the way. There's a lot of good extensions here that you may enjoy. I know I've installed some in the past with other videos that I've done. So yeah, just go through them and see if you like any. So to remove an extension, you're just going to click on the puzzle piece right here. And you can click on Manage Extensions right here. This will bring up all the extensions you have installed. To remove them, you're just going to click on Remove. So we'll click on Remove, remove once more, remove again, and remove once more. You could also delete individual extensions. So let's say we go back here and I have one installed. We'll hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension. There's also an easy way to remove it if you didn't want to go to Manage All Extensions. If you click on the puzzle piece right here, you'll see that this is the one that we just installed. You can click the 3 dots and click on Remove from Chrome. So there's 2 different ways you can remove your extensions, whichever way works. But yeah, Manage All Extensions or Manage Extensions shows all of them that you have installed. So does the puzzle piece. But yeah, so it's all user preference, whichever way you want to go. So hopefully this helped. This was just a quick video on how to install and remove Chrome extensions. If it's helped you at all, definitely hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.